the chair, my friends, Dr. Kashi, and all my friends, Salam, good evening, Sat Sri Akal. It's my privilege to address on the occasion of the London Conference on Finality of Prophethood. This is a great memorial day in the history of London, when we can remind everyone the 7th of July, when the great human loss took place in the city of London 30 years back. Such gatherings make us to learn from each other, to learn about each other, and learn to respect the differences of each other. In the context of interfaith, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, the 10th master of Sikhism, said, "Manav ki jaat sabe ek hai pehchanvo," recognizes the human race as one. Guru Nanak Dev Ji also given the message of oneness of God. So we are here to bring the understanding and patience of the communities. The Guru Granth Sahib is the scripture of Sikhism, which is comprised all the Sufi and Hindu Bhagats. The philosophy of them was compiled in 1430 pages, which give the message that, like Sikh always pray in the morning and evening for the welfare and the high morale of everyone. नानक नाम चढ़दी कला तेरे पाने सरदा भला। वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।